After my last air fryer finally gave up, I spent a lot of time looking for a replacement. I needed something that could handle weeknight meals for my family of 3 without costing a fortune. I landed on the COSORI Pro II 5.8-quart model, and after using it almost daily for the past month, I've got a lot of thoughts. My main goal was testing its real-world convenience against the marketing hype, especially all the smart features it boasts. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, the main unit feels solid, but it's lighter than you'd expect for its size. The body is a fingerprint-resistant matte plastic that's easy to wipe down. The real star, though, is the basket. This is where COSORI beats a lot of the competition. It's a single, deep, square basket instead of a round one, and that shape is way more practical. I can lay 4 salmon fillets flat without them overlapping, which just wasn't possible in my old circular basket. It's a 2-part system, an inner crisper plate and the main basket. Both are non-stick and, crucially, dishwasher-safe. After a month of heavy use and dishwasher cycles, the non-stick coating is holding up perfectly. The touchscreen is bright and responsive, angled up at the user so you aren't bending over to read it. Key features in action. This model has 12 presets, but let's be honest, the 3 features I actually use are the preheat, the shake, and the app. First, the preheat function. A lot of cheaper air fryers skip this, and it makes a huge difference. Hitting preheat runs it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 minutes. When you throw frozen fries or Brussels sprouts into a preheated basket, they get crispy immediately instead of steaming and getting soggy. It's a small step that gives you a much better, more consistent texture. Second, the shake reminder. If you're using the fries or vegetables preset, the machine will beep and flash shake halfway through the cook time. This is genuinely useful. It's so easy to forget, and this audible reminder is my cue to go give the basket a toss. It's a simple feature, but it means I don't have to set a separate timer, and my food cooks more evenly. Finally, the VeSync app and smart controls. I thought this was a gimmick, but I've been pleasantly surprised. I connected it to my Google Assistant, and now I can just yell, "Hey Google, preheat the air fryer," while I'm still chopping vegetables. The app is even better. I can be in the living room, get a notification on my phone that the air fryer is done, and hit the Keep Warm button right from the app. It's not life-changing, but it is incredibly convenient. Performance and daily reality. In day-to-day use, this thing is a workhorse. The 1700-watt heating element is fast. Reheating leftover pizza, which used to be a sad, soggy microwave affair, now takes 3 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and comes out with a perfectly crisp crust. For my main meals, it's been fantastic. Chicken thighs get crispy skin and stay juicy inside in about 18 minutes. Asparagus, broccoli, and green beans are perfectly roasted in 6 to 8 minutes. Where does it compare to others? Well, its biggest competition is Ninja. Many Ninja models can go up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, while this COSORI maxes out at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For 99% of what I cook, 400 degrees Fahrenheit is more than enough. I'm not really looking to broil a steak in my air fryer. The fan is powerful and circulates air extremely well, which is what really gives you that fried texture. It's also noticeably quieter than my old model. Limitations and trade-offs. Now, it's not perfect. My main complaint is that the smart features are a bit limited. While I love the preheat and keep warm app controls, you can't start a full cooking cycle from your phone for safety reasons. You have to physically press the start button on the machine. I understand why, but it does make the smart label feel a little less smart. Also, that 5.8-quart basket is big, but it's still a single-layer cooker. If you're cooking for more than 3 or 4 people, you will absolutely be cooking in batches. Final verdict. Buy this if you are cooking for 1 to 4 people and prioritize convenience and cleanup. You want a basket with a large, flat, usable surface area, and you'll actually use the smart features for preheating and getting notifications. It's one of the best and most practical air fryers I've used at this price point. Skip this if you regularly cook for a crowd and need a massive dual basket model. Or if you're a power user who absolutely must have that 450 degrees broiling temperature, you might be happier looking at a higher-end Ninja. For everyone else, this is a fantastic and reliable kitchen upgrade.